Let's face it, managing money can be a drag. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple, effective way to take control of your finances. It's not about deprivation, it's about freedom. Freedom to spend on what you enjoy, save for your dreams, and achieve financial peace of mind. This rule divides your after-tax income into three main buckets: needs, wants, and savings. By allocating your money consciously, you gain clarity on your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. No more wondering where your paycheck went. The 50-30-20 rule empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. This system is not about being perfect. It's about progress. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back. Then, gradually adjust your budget to align with the 50-30-20 rule. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. This is your money, your life, your rules. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. Ready to take charge? Let's dive in. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule lies in its simplicity. It provides a clear and straightforward framework for managing your finances without feeling overwhelmed. Let's break down the three core categories: needs, wants, and savings. Each of these categories plays a vital role in ensuring a balanced and sustainable financial plan. Understanding these categories is crucial to effectively implement this budgeting strategy. By knowing what each category entails, you can allocate your income more efficiently and avoid unnecessary stress. Needs are your non-negotiable expenses, the essentials for survival and basic living. These are the costs that you must cover to maintain a stable and secure lifestyle. These include housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, and debt payments. Without these, your day-to-day life would be significantly impacted. These are the things you absolutely need to pay for each month. They form the backbone of your financial obligations. Think of them as the foundation of your budget. Without a solid foundation, your financial structure could easily crumble. Wants are the things that make life more enjoyable but aren't essential for survival. They add color and excitement to your life, making it more fulfilling. Think dining out, entertainment, travel, hobbies, and that new gadget you've been eyeing. These are the expenses that bring joy and leisure into your life. These are often flexible expenses that can be adjusted based on your financial goals. If needed, you can cut back on these to save more or pay off debt faster. Savings encompass everything you set aside for your future. This category is all about planning ahead and ensuring financial security down the line. This includes building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or even that dream vacation. It's about preparing for both expected and unexpected future expenses. Paying off debt also falls under this category. Reducing your debt load is a crucial step towards financial freedom and stability. Think of savings as investing in your future self. The more you save now, the more options and security you'll have later in life. By clearly defining these categories, you gain a better understanding of where your money is going. This clarity helps you make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. This awareness is the first step towards making conscious spending choices and achieving your financial goals. With a clear plan in place, you can confidently work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Ready to build your 50-30-20 budget? It's easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Determine your net income, the amount you receive after taxes and deductions. This is your starting point for budget allocation. Step 2. Allocate for needs, 50%. List all your essential expenses and calculate their total cost. Aim to keep this category within 50% of your after-tax income. Step 3. Determine your wants, 30%. Identify your discretionary spending categories. Allocate 30% of your after-tax income for these enjoyable but non-essential expenses. Step 4. Prioritize savings, 20%. Allocate the remaining 20% to savings and debt repayment. This includes contributions to your emergency fund, retirement accounts, and debt payments beyond the minimum. Remember, this is a general guideline. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. The key is to find a balance that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. Conquering your needs. Essential expenses made easy. Managing your needs might seem straightforward, but there's always room for optimization. It's not just about paying your bills, it's about making sure every dollar is working for you. Remember, we're aiming for 50% or less of your after-tax income for this category. This means half of what you earn should cover your essential expenses, leaving the other half for savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Let's break down how to conquer these essential expenses, starting with housing, which is likely your biggest expense. Housing costs can take up a significant portion of your budget, but there are ways to manage and even reduce these expenses. If you're renting, consider negotiating your rent or exploring more affordable options. Sometimes a simple conversation with your landlord can lead to a reduction in rent or better terms. If you're a homeowner, look into refinancing your mortgage to lower your monthly payments. Refinancing can save you hundreds of dollars each month, which adds up significantly over time. Next, let's talk about transportation. Do you really need that expensive car payment? High car payments can drain your budget quickly. Explore alternative transportation methods like public transit, biking, or carpooling. These options are not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. This can significantly reduce your transportation costs, freeing up more money for other essential expenses or savings. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Groceries are another essential expense where you can find savings. Plan your meals, create a grocery list, and avoid impulse purchases at the store. Meal planning helps you buy only what you need, reducing waste and saving money. Consider buying generic brands, which are often just as good as name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Shopping at discount stores can also help you stretch your grocery budget further. Lower your utility bills by being mindful of your energy consumption. Small changes in how you use energy can lead to big savings. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when not in use, and consider energy-efficient appliances. These steps can reduce your energy bills and your environmental footprint. By being smart about your essential expenses, you free up more money for the things you enjoy and your financial goals. This means more resources for hobbies, family activities, and achieving your dreams. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference over time. Consistent, mindful spending can lead to significant financial milestones and a more secure future. Mastering your wants. Spending smarter, not less. Wants are the fun part of the budget, but they can also derail your financial progress if not managed properly. It's easy to get carried away with spending on things that bring immediate joy, but have long-term financial consequences. The key is not to eliminate your wants entirely, but to spend smarter, not less. This means making thoughtful decisions about where your money goes and ensuring that your spending aligns with your values and long-term goals. Here's how to master your wants within the 30% allocation. Start by identifying what truly brings you joy and satisfaction. Research shows that experiences bring more lasting happiness than material goods. This is because experiences create memories and connections that can be cherished for a lifetime. Instead of buying the latest gadget, consider investing in memorable experiences like concerts, travel, or trying new activities. These experiences can enrich your life and provide a sense of fulfillment that material possessions often cannot. It's okay to say no to tempting purchases, even if your friends are splurging. Peer pressure can be strong, but staying true to your financial goals is more important. Remember your financial goals and focus on what truly matters to you. If you love dining out, explore happy hour deals or try new restaurants during their slower days to save money. Love dining out? Explore happy hour deals, try new restaurants during their slower days when prices might be lower and the atmosphere more relaxed. Or consider cooking more meals at home. Cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, and it allows you to control your spending and make healthier choices. Instead of making impulse purchases, give yourself a cooling off period. This helps you avoid buyer's remorse and ensures that your purchases are intentional and meaningful. If you still want the item after a week or two, consider adding it to your budget for the following month. This way, you can plan your spending and avoid unnecessary debt. By being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices, you can enjoy your wants without sacrificing your financial well-being. It's all about making informed decisions that align with your overall financial plan. Remember, it's about finding a balance that allows you to live a fulfilling life while achieving your financial goals. By spending smarter, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, satisfying your desires and securing your financial future. Supercharging your savings, from debt-free to financial freedom. Saving 20% of your after-tax income might seem challenging, but it's the key to achieving your financial dreams. This category encompasses everything from building an emergency fund to investing for the future. Here's how to supercharge your savings. If you have outstanding debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, prioritize paying it down aggressively. Consider a debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debt strategically. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund provides a financial cushion in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. The power of compounding is your best friend when it comes to investing. Start small if you have to, but start early. Explore different investment options like index funds, ETFs, or target date funds to find what aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, saving is not about deprivation, it's about investing in your future self. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you're taking control of your financial well-being and paving the way for a brighter future. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial advice that you can put to use right away. Leave a comment below if you're planning to try this budgeting method, or if you have any budgeting tips of your own to share. Let's all help each other achieve financial freedom.